In front of me is Sony Xperia 514, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this Sony. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword, and Revert. Finally, just click on Text Correction and scroll down. Now you can manage autocorrection by clicking on this switcher to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!